Roland Systems Group brings you the complete V-Mixing system with V-Mixer live mixing console, digital snake, personal mixing, and multi-channel recording. Based on our React technology, the V-Mixing system delivers pristine sound quality over Ethernet Cat5 cables with low latency. One Cat5 React cable carries 40 audio channels in each direction in 24 bits at up to 96 kHz. The RSS system is adaptable to many different system configurations, easy to use with professional design and features. React technology is at the heart of RSS digital snakes. Our digital snake delivers the true sound of mics and instruments by putting the preamp on the stage. Sound sources are connected to the preamp over a short cable run on stage, not over thin wires in a long multi-core analog snake. The true sound is captured near to the original source. That true sound of your sources is sent over a long distance as a React 24-bit digital signal running on Cat5 cable. The sound operator has full control over the preamp level, phantom power, and pad from the mix position. When you use the digital snake with any other mixer, the preamp can be controlled from the S4000R remote. The S4000S has up to 40 channels, shareable between inputs and outputs. This is a popular configuration with 32 inputs and 8 outputs. This S1608 has 16 inputs and 8 outputs, matched with the S0816. Rack mount them or put the two pieces with a 300-foot reel of Cat5 cable into one very portable case. If you need to run audio further than the 100-meter limitation of Ethernet on Cat5, use the SOPT converter to run React signals over optical cable up to 2 kilometers over 1.5 miles. The M400 V-Mixer is a 48-channel live mixing console designed to be the cornerstone of a React system. It has a configurable number of inputs and outputs depending on the digital snakes connected to the React ports on the back, up to 90 inputs. All signals run through a virtual patch bay to route any 48 channels for mixing at one time. 48 motorized faders look after mixing in 4 layers: channels 1 to 24, 25 to 48, auxiliaries, DCAs, and matrix masters, and a user layer to select your own set of assignments. Select any channel to see that channel on the display and to get quick access to the channel control functions. Or turn on Touch Select, and any channel fader you touch is instantly ready to control. The channel preamp sends control messages over the React connection to set the preamp of the digital snake module that's on the stage. There are 24 gates assignable to any channels, 24 compressors assignable to any channels. And every channel has a 4-band EQ and powerful filter section. There are 16 auxiliary mix buses on the M400. Mixing monitors, one of the longest and hardest jobs in soundcheck, is made much easier by the Sends on Fader feature. I can mix the vocalist monitor on the faders, mix the guitarist monitors on the faders, then turn off the Sends on Fader button, and I'm back to mixing the mains. There are 8 matrix buses for extended applications. Each matrix can mix signals from the 16 auxiliaries, mains, and any 2 channel direct outputs. Main output is stereo or a complete LCR with selectable assignment and panning style options per channel. Each of the auxiliary outputs and the main outputs have a dedicated limiter and a 4-band EQ. If you need more processing on a bus, you can insert more from the effects section. There are 4 dedicated EQs on board that can run in 31-band graphic mode or 8-band parametric mode. The real-time analyzer can help you find the right EQ settings for your room. 4 additional effects blocks are available, running various effects in full stereo or dual mono. Effects include a superb reverb, delays, compressors, multi-effects, and some of Roland's most desirable vintage effects, including the Space Echo, SDE 3000 delay, and Dimension D. The M400 can record a stereo WAV file direct to a USB memory stick. User-level administration allows you to decide who has access to various functions of the mixer. There's an onboard help system great for training novice users. The M400 has so much more, including 8 DCAs, 8 mute groups, user buttons, monitoring and talkback, and everything else to complete the M400 as a truly professional level mixer. The M400 delivers instant recall. Effects processors, EQ, compressors, the patch bay, and other parts of the M400 have their own libraries for storing your settings, or use some of the helpful factory presets if you're in a hurry. Scene memories store every parameter of the mixer for recall of every nuance at a later date. Now a church can have a rehearsal on Thursday, a wedding on Saturday, and on Sunday morning the mixer is set exactly where it was on that Friday night rehearsal. The M400 has several remote control options. The RCS software has access to every function on the M400 from a PC. There's an RS-232 port for control from programmable remote systems. V-Link connects the M400 to video devices such as this Edirol V440 HD video mixer. As various video sources are controlled, true audio follows video can be achieved. The M400 V-Mixer delivers a professional set of specifications and features in a friendly and easy-to-use mixing console. REAC, or Roland Ethernet audio communication, makes system expansion easy. REAC signals can be split over the REAC connection from the S4000D to send audio to any number of simultaneous destinations. Add a second M400 to your system as a monitor mixer, or send a full digital split feed to a broadcast truck or video room, or to the REAC recording system. REAC can send 40 channels to the RSS personal mixing system. The M48 personal mixer is the key to truly personalized monitor control. The M48 receives up to 40 audio sources over the REAC connection from the S4000D. These 40 sources are assigned into 16 stereo groups. Each performer can have a completely customized assignment for their 16 groups. A straightforward design with buttons, knobs, and LEDs makes the M48 easy to use. Each of the 16 mixable groups has its own EQ and reverb send. A built-in limiter protects your ears from unexpected spikes. Outputs for headphones or powered monitors, aux in, and recording output give you lots of connection options. The ambient mic makes it easy for band members to communicate with each other or hear the response from the audience. The personal mixing system integrates directly into a V-Mixing system with full control from the M400. The M400 operator can decide how much monitoring control to give over to each onstage performer, or can jump in at any time to help a performer with settings on their mixer. The personal mixing system can also be used with any other mixer. All of the same control options are available from RSC software. The RSS personal mixing system is simply the best personal mixing system available, whether integrated with the V-Mixer or in any other sound system. The REAC recording system from Cakewalk is specially designed for live event audio capture. The REAC recording system captures 40 multi-channels of 24-bit audio non-stop through the duration of a whole event. With the REAC recording system, plug a Cat5 split from any REAC system into the gigabit Ethernet port on a PC and start recording. The React recording system from Cakewalk is built around a full version of Sonar Producer Edition. After your event has been captured, Sonar offers the perfect production and mixing environment for the demanding engineer. Sonar's industry-first 64-bit double precision floating point mix engine provides sonic clarity using a full suite of versatile effects, powerful mixing tools, and endless routing possibilities. The React recording system is the most comprehensive live multi-channel recording, mixing, mastering, and delivery product available. If you want to take capabilities of the React recording system into the studio, the Cakewalk V Studio 700 is a natural addition. Also built around Sonar 8 Producer Edition, it adds studio hardware with a full-size control console, expanded studio inputs and outputs, a Roland Phantom synthesizer, and more. React delivers pristine audio over the absolute best digital snakes. The M400 V-Mixer is a breakthrough mixer offering no compromise sound quality and features. The M48 Personal Mixer provides React audio to every performer on stage. Capture multi-channel audio from any event using the React recording system. Roland Systems Group offers you individual solutions that are best in class by themselves and with a natural integration for those wanting to build a system from scratch, all enabled by React technology.